All right, so it says the graph below shows a quadratic function f, and the table shows g. So we actually have two functions. One is in the form of a graph, the other is a form in the table. As you guys are sketching the graph, just point out a couple of points. This point here is where it crosses at the y-axis, so that is 0, 6. Also, the vertex of this thing is going to be at 2, 10. And I don't know, just that's fine. It looks like it crosses here at like 5.5, so put 5, 0.5, 0. But anyways, now we got to figure out which one of these statements are true. So what we're looking for is behaviors and patterns. So this is the vertex here. I can tell you that the vertex of g of x is this 2, 4, because the pattern is the same going this way as it is going this way. So there's symmetry there. And I'm looking at the y values. You kind of got to ignore the x values. So this is the vertex for this thing. And so let's read the answers and see. The first one says the functions f and g have the same axis of symmetry, and the y-intercept of f is less than the y-intercept of g. Well, the y-intercept occurs when x equals 0. So this is the y-intercept. Oops. And it says one is less than the other. It says f is less than g. Well, that's true. And then the axis of symmetry goes through the vertex. So the axis of symmetry on the graph would be x equals 2. The x value here, the axis of symmetry would also be x equals 2, because that's where the vertex occurs. So this is the answer. Oh, we got lucky. We don't have to go through the rest of them. A great test-taking strategy. How do I know I don't have to go through the rest of them? Well, on the bottom here, I kind of glossed over it, but it said which statement. That means only one statement is true. It didn't say which statements are true. So I'll leave that up there for a second so you guys can write it down. Do you guys have any questions on this one?